Okay, we got 1927 Buick Street Rod. Pretty wild Buick, man. Whatever's left of Buick, I don't know what's. A lot of breathers on here. Again, you got the dual master cylinder, man. You got brake stand this time. Headers, mechanical fuel pump. And that's that's how the chokes were here, like a thermostat choke here, that spring in here, that little black round thing. You got the HEI ignition, automatic transmission. Wood frame. B&M shifter. Almost looks like a four-wheel drive. It's not an SS, it's an SSS. Sign of the snake. And the top's all folded up in there. I assume you got a seat back in here too. You see the, for the brakes there, proportioning valve. Might have to get one of those from El Camino, I don't know. Stupid brake light's still on. I don't know if they changed everything except that. But the brakes work, so. Anyway, then you got your fan clutch in here. Modern day. Those fans are really good, actually. It's all you really need. Sometimes you don't need those electric fans. I mean, electric fans are good, but it's another thing to break. That don't break. Especially since they're not. That looks like aluminum blades versus, fiberglass and stuff. Nice set of headers on this sucker. And you got your power steering. Yeah. Just take it up to about $8 grand and hit the freaking power shift, the second gear on the B&M shifter.